Hey guys, I'm at Cornell College, where Andy Bernard went. Cornell University, actually, and I'm going in the bowling alley. We're going to do a benefit for Mockingbird Farm Sanctuary. John's already in there. I'm with Big Josh Vegan. Let's go in. It's cold. Big Josh Vegan doesn't need coats because Big Josh Vegan.
No, we don't wear coats.
Now, we've been coming here about once a year to bowl Cornell University in this building. Down in the basement, just walk down these stairs and you have the bowling center and classroom. Well, we're not going to the classroom, so let's bowl.
What's up? Little Wegmans vegan pizza. Same, and here's a little mushroom and cauliflower bites, which are supposedly amazing.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna try one.
Are these your...
They are indeed. I brought some so that all the participants could take a bottle home.
This is from Tamerlane. There's Peter.
Hello there.
We've done videos with him before, and we're going to be doing some more with you. I just got myself a new hat, Mockingbird Farms hat. You guys can get one too by going to their site. They also got beanies. They're pretty cool shirts. I think Kristen's wearing one. Yep.
So we're having a little fundraising bowling tournament today. And the winner's gonna get some nice Mockingbird swag. Giving away a couple of sweaties.
All right, it's time to bowl. We're gonna bowl. And here I am ready to bowl my first frame. I haven't practiced and I haven't bowled in quite a long time. I had to turn the sound down here because there was music playing really loud, and you know how YouTube is with that. So there's my first one, straight in the gutter. Here's my potential spare. I didn't do too well on that one either, but I did end up doing pretty well overall. Had fun bowling. I actually bowled a 128 my second game. Haven't bowled in like 2 years. I got this awesome Mockingbird hat again. I got the hoodie, zip up hoodie, and this really comfortable shirt. I know, I usually wear black, but I got a different color. I like it. I can wear black underneath it.
Loved it. What a great event.
He's hanging out. He's meeting all the new vegans.
Yep. I'm doing everything I can to support both farms.
He's going to be modest, but he covered everybody's game. He went up there and he said, I want to cover everyone's game. So huge.
We don't have to tell everybody, but it's well worth it. Well worth it. Money spent. I donated money to the Mockingbird Farm, and they're great causes, and it's well worth it.
So we're here at Helen Newman Lanes at Cornell University. Myself and a bunch of other runners from Strong Arts Vegan Power come here once a year just to kind of hang out and bowl and have a good time. Today specifically, we're here to support Mockingbird Farm. John Ted, the co-founder of the farm. It was a financial fundraiser for the farm. We ended up raising close to $600, I think.
Yeah.
So just friends getting together, having a good time, trying to do good things for animals and be friends in the process.
We had vegan pizza, we had vegan wing dip, we had all sorts of junk food in the back room over there. And we ate a bunch of food and bowled our hearts out. It was a lot of fun. Actually, the guy that put it on, I met at one of your bowling events here. So it's kind of cool how it all comes together. We were able to raise a bunch of money and have some fun.
This is what happens. Everyone does stuff for John. So that went really well.
Yeah, that was, I feel so humbled on like events like that, you know, and we raised a lot of money just for bowling, and a lot of friends are all together eating some delicious food. Thank you so much. If you're watching this and you came out or supported Mockingbird ever, thank you for all your support. It means so much to me. Keeps my heart beating. I'm weird.
All right, I am making some pasta. I got the Beyond sausage right here. Josh is gonna try this for the first time. We got some pasta already done. I got some onions that I chopped the other day. I'm gonna put some spinach in there and some Kalamata olives. And that's gonna be a lunch. And then we're gonna live stream while we eat. And I'm wearing this awesome little apron because when I do dishes around here, it splatters up, gets all my clothes. But this is good. It's like a good little shield.
How long are the sausages?
5 minutes, Turk. You know what movie that's from? You're oldest. Oh, look at that pasta. We gotta strain it. Pasta's going right in the sink. This might not even be big enough. I might need one more strainer.
I can't wait to try it.
I think these are probably done. So I'm gonna take that knife and we're just gonna slice them down on the bias. Ouch. All right, what I'm doing here is I'm just gonna throw everything back in the pan like that. We're gonna throw the sausages in there. Also, I told you I was gonna put spinach in there. We want this to wilt down all nice. As we all know, spinach pretty much wilts down to nothing. So I'm just gonna give it a rough chop and then we're gonna put it in there and the heat should make it all wither down. Here, I think Josh should try one of these right now on camera.
That was really hot, but
It is.
wow, two thumbs up. That sauce, it just coming from obviously eating meat a month ago, tastes just like sausage.
Yeah.
There's no reason that anybody couldn't go vegan and live off of these. I mean, you would have no problem whatsoever.
It is smelling awesome. We're gonna throw some of this into a bowl. We got the Kalamata olives in there. I put some spices in there, herbs, I put some nutritional yeast in there. This is your bowl. I say it's picture worthy. Oh, you know what? I like to do this. Do you like everything but the bagel? Mm-hmm. All right. It's not done until you go like this. And it looks perfect like that. Look at that. Does that not look good? And that would be a
That looks so good.
that would be a lunch or a dinner of what I eat in a day. This is delicious. I don't even have to try it. We're gonna try it on live stream. So go watch that video. It's already up. It's already there.